Hi guys, this is Kushal Kumar, and in this video tutorial of C programming language, I will be telling you about compiling and running C program in Linux operating system, or in this case Ubuntu. You can call it part 2.5 of my C programming language tutorial. So as I taught you in my last tutorial for Windows, you have to type gcc something.c, then it gets converted to a.exe after compilation, and then you have to write a and enter to run your program. Alternatively, what you could do is compile your program, but with it add something additional like -o, any name here which you want your final file to have. And now prog1.exe is this name, and now you can write, you don't have to write a here, instead you can write prog1 here. So that's about Windows, but let's talk about Linux. In Linux you can follow the same procedure by compiling filename.c, but in this case instead of a.exe it gets converted to a.out. And in order to run it, you have to write ./a.out. So let's see how it gets done in practice. So this is my Linux operating system, Ubuntu, and this is where you have to go, to terminal. This is like command prompt that we have in Windows. Click on it, see, terminal is open. So here what you have to do is, you will be using editor here also, and that editor is called vi editor. In case you don't have that editor, what you can do is, you have to write sudo apt-get install vim, and it will start getting installed. I already have it, so it won't get installed. So this was the first thing, getting the editor. And the second thing is, you must have a compiler. So what you have to do is write sudo apt-get install gcc, and your compiler will start installing. I have that too. So in order to get into editor mode, you have to write vi, name of a file that you want to create, like first.c, and hit enter. And now you're in the file editing mode. If you want to insert something, you have to click on I, and then here it will be indicated with the insert written here. So now write your code same way you did before, #include .h printf happy coding. Now in order to get out of this editing mode, you have to click on the escape button, ESC, which is on the top left side of your keyboard, and after that insert will go away from here. And now what you have to do is click colon, which comes here now, and then WQ, and now click on enter. Now you are out of there. In order to run this file, you have to type gcc first.c and hit enter. So now the C file has been compiled. In order to run this file, write ./a.out, and you have the output here. So this was the first method of compiling and running a C program on a Linux operating system. The second method is sudo apt-get install code blocks and hit enter. It will get installed if you don't have it on your machine, and after it gets installed, you have to go here and click on this icon and search code C. You have it here. Click on it. So the code blocks has been started. Click on OK. Now you will follow the same instructions as you did in Windows machine. Go to file, click on C++ source, go, next C, Next, give the file name with path, give the name second.c, then put it on the desktop, click on save, and then finish. Write the same exact code again. As you see, you just type the left curly braces here, the right comes on its own. So after clicking on Ctrl F9, you get this: build has been successfully finished. Now click on Ctrl F10 and you see your code is working. Now you know both the ways of compiling your C program on whether a Windows machine or a Linux machine. In the next tutorial, we will cover what all this code means. So I hope you liked the video and subscribe, because I post videos every day about C programming language and other technical stuff. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day.